So children, as I told, we will do the assignment given on page number 45 practically. So here you can see I have created a record or details of 10 students of any class. Okay, here I have mentioned roll number, name of student, English, maths and science marks. Now, as you can see, as the details are for marks. So, if we try to calculate the total using our hands, then it will be time consuming. But if we use spreadsheet to do the calculation part, then it will be easy for us. Okay. Now children, we will apply the formula to calculate all these marks of individual student. Okay, so you all know that the formula starts with an equal to sign, and you have to calculate the sum of marks of Aditi. The name of the student is Aditi. You have to calculate her marks for English, Hindi, maths and science. So we will use the formula as SUM. Now as you can see, as soon as you have typed sum, it has shown you different formulas. But we need to use sum only. Within brackets, I will give the argument. So what are the arguments? Here for roll number 1, I have columns C, D, E and F to be added. And one roll number, that is of Aditi, is in row 2. So I have to add C2. As you can see, it is highlighted as you have written C2. Now I will add semicolon, and then the next column is D2. Again it is highlighted, semicolons, E2 to add the marks of maths also. And then again I have science, that is F2. After that, what will happen? I will close the bracket, and as soon as I press the tab key, it will give me the sum as 273. So you can find out that a student named Aditi scored 273 out of 400, because we have given the marks out of 400. Okay, children? So she got 273 out of 400. So same way you can apply for the second row also. Okay, let us do it once again. Is equals to sign, SUM, sum. Okay, within brackets. Now the address will be changed, like C3, semicolons, D3, semicolons, E3, semicolons, F3. I'll close the bracket. I'll press the tab key. So the girl named Akansha scored 313 out of 400. Okay, children. So this way you can apply the formulas to the given data. Now children, if you don't want to write the formula, then how you will do it? So for that, what you have to do, you select the first column from where you have to start the calculation. So I have to start it for Harsh from English. I've selected this. Now using shift key and the right arrow key, I will drag and I will select all these four details. Now I will go to the formulas bar, and from here I will click on auto sum. So you can see Harsh got 333 out of 400. Let us do it for others. Shift, right arrow, and then auto sum. Shift, right arrow, auto sum. Shift, right arrow, auto sum. Shift arrow, auto sum. So like this, you can use the formula also, or you can use the predefined formulas that are given in the formula bar. Okay. Now children, the next one is how you can find out the maximum value. Now, as you can see that these are the marks of only English subject. Now, if you have to find out that in class who got the highest mark or what is the highest marks in English. So for that, what you can do, you can simply write here maximum mark. First, let me highlight it so that you all are able to see. Okay. Let's decrease the size a bit. Now, suppose you have to find out the maximum mark. So, we will start from is equals to max and within bracket. Now, I have to compare the column C. I have to compare the marks of English. So, I'll start from column C2, that is highlighted, semicolons, till where I have to compare C11. C11. Okay. So as you can see, as soon as I have entered C11, this has shown me the whole column which has marks. They are highlighted. Now let us press the tab key or the enter key and see what happens. Here you can see that 88 is the maximum marks scored by a child in English. Now let us apply for Hindi also. So again is equals to max within brackets. It is in D column. So D2 semicolon till D11. Bracket close. Enter. So you can see in Hindi the maximum marks is 78. Let us do it for maths also. Is equals to max E2 semicolon E11. Bracket close, enter. 89 is the maximum mark. For science, F2 semicolon F11. So here you can see 89 is the maximum mark. Now children, let us find out minimum marks. So here we will find out the minimum marks. So I'll increase the size a bit. Okay. So same way we will apply here, but we will use the function MIN. Same C2 semicolon C11. Bracket close, enter. So here 46 is the minimum mark is equals to min D2 semicolon D11. You can press the tab key also or enter key also. So in Hindi, 59 is the minimum mark. For maths, '70, and for science we got 60. Okay, so here by applying the formula, we have calculated total marks. We have found out maximum marks or minimum marks in each subject. Now children, let us calculate the average. Means what is the average of total English marks? For that, what we will do? First, let us highlight it. Average marks. I'll increase the font. Okay. Now I have to calculate the average of this C column, that is the total marks obtained in whole class. What is the average mark here? Okay, so for that what I will do? I will write the formula average. Average. And you can see here in the drop down menu also, or drop down box also, that average is equals to average. Now after writing average, I have to select the cells. Means from where to where I have to find out the average. So I can write C2, again C11. Bracket close. You can see the average marks of whole class in subject English is 70.4. Let us calculate it for Hindi. AVERAGE average within bracket D2 semicolon D11. Bracket close. Tab. 68 is the average mark in Hindi for whole class. Let us see for maths. E2 semicolon E11. Bracket close. Enter. So here 79.8 is the average mark for math subjects. 77.9 is the average mark in science for whole class. Okay, children? So this way you can do the calculation.